Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Resilio Sync versus Syncthing. So if you don't know what these two are, Resilio Sync is a peer-to-peer file synchronization tool built on therein technology, focused on fast private syncing across devices with commercial support options. And Syncthing, on the other hand, is an open-source peer-to-peer sync tool that offers secure, decentralized file syncing without relying on third-party servers. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Resilio right here. So the pros of it is that it is fast, reliable sync via BitTorrent protocol, commercial version with extra features like selective sync and support, and it also has an easy-to-use AI. Now the cons of it is that it is a closed source, not an open source, so you can't do anything that you want. The free version has limited features, so some premium features are locked behind a paywall, and the paid version is required for power users. So if you're syncing a lot, you will need to pay. Now for Syncthing right here, the pros of it is that it is fully open source, unlike Resilio, and free. There are no paywalls, strong privacy and no strength server, and customizable with active community support. Now the cons of it is that it has a slightly steeper learning curve. It lacks official mobile iOS, third-party only, so you can download it on iOS through third-party apps, and there is no commercial support by default. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Resilio Sync if you prefer fast syncing and polished features, ideal for businesses or less technical users, and choose Syncthing if you want full control, open source freedom with strong privacy without cost. And that is it. That is the difference between Resilio Sync and Syncthing. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.